Welcome, guys. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, loopy, loopy. All right, a quick one, guys. For those of you who have this problem because of stretch mark, sometimes stretch mark can be caused by stress. Stretch mark can be caused by pregnancy, stretch mark can be caused by increase in size, which is maybe when you add weight. And stretch mark also can be caused by some lotions, and some inappropriate lotions for the skin, lotions that are not right for the skin at a time, or because of your skin type, or if not skin type, apparently might be because of your the lotion you apply to the skin. It could be different ways. Stretch mark can be caused by anything. That's what I'm trying to let you all know. So the thing is, you see, this is a solution we'll be having before stretch mark oil that is not really, it's very effective, but it's not helping the people the way I want it. That is why we said, let's even do this for once and for all. Are you getting it? And we traveled to Thailand and to bring this for you. Now, this stretch mark solution is not every other regular stretch mark solution. I did experiment on it. Are you getting? I did experiment on it. I used it for some people that I know they have stretch mark. I invited them, and it's a peeling solution. First of all, you will use it to rub the place, and the oil after that, after some while, it will hurt you a bit, and after that you will clean it off, wash it off, then you give it 2-3 days, then it will peel by itself. After peeling, you will be using the oil to rub it. There's every tendency that, yes, before you do that, 2 weeks, video yourself so that you can see the changes. Not that like I don't know when the changes happen. You'll be slowly to be peeling drastically. So it's not that the stretch mark will be fading. Like all these ones, they fade the stretch mark away. But why this one, it peeled the stretch mark. It peeled it it peeled it to the second, it peeled the first layer away. So when you see the other layer, it will be clean, as fresh as ABC, like your new skin. So when you see this thing I'm showing you, just give a try to it. For those of you having students, okay, maybe you can buy small and use it to see how it works before you can place more of it. These are stretch mark solution, I know. Remember, I told you, for those of you who see buy lotion and it's not working, you don't like the way it's slow, don't throw the lotion away. In as much you love the lotion, if it is premixing, or if it's a brand that is already made brand, or the one, whichever lotion you buy it because of the reason that you want to get toned up, you want to get white, you want to look sweet, don't throw it. I have a solution for it. That is why we introduce Blend Pro 9. If you use that Blend Pro 9, if you put that Blend Pro 9 that you're seeing on screen under your lotion, if you put that 50 ml on inside a 500 ml, before you know it, it will boom, it will come up faster. In 3 days to 4 days, 5 days, your skin will become as I am. And if you use it 1 week, before you look, it become white, yellow, So we have a product. We have product that I really vouch for. You understand? Give a try. We don't sell fake here. And if you want to buy recipe, you want to buy organic recipe, you want to buy any kind of cosmetic, we don't sell fake. Just give a try, because it's very necessary that you use the right thing so that your client will stay with you. It's not easy. You get a client and you lose them. You think the business is not working, it's not moving, just because you're using wrong products, you're buying fake products from people. Are you getting it? This year, let's not waste money. I'll be telling you guys this, let's not waste money. If you're wasting money, money will run from you. Don't waste money. Use money to do a good thing. And if you know you want to waste it, please give us. Let's give to the orphanage home and let them use. All right. So other than that, this is a solution, a stretch mark solution that this one you cannot compare with this one. This one is fading stretch mark solution. It fades, it lights the place up, blah blah blah, all that. But this one, it peels the stretch mark. And when your stretch mark is being peeled, jeez, when your stretch mark is being peeled, that is when you know the stretch mark is off. So when it is peeled already, it's peeled off, you cannot be using this just to maintain the place, the surface. But this is the original thing. Make sure you place your order and let people know the good work as the Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria Limited have done for you. So please, this is the solution. We ship everywhere, we ship worldwide.